universe from afar. The James Webb Space Telescope, our most ambitious observatory, orbiting beyond the reach of Earth's atmosphere. Launched to peer into the earliest moments of the universe, it now finds itself gazing into a riddle that defies time itself. Built at a cost of over $10 billion, the telescope was designed to outmatch anything that came before. More powerful than the Hubble, Webb sees deeper, clearer, and farther into the universe than any eye we've ever opened to the sky. In July of 2022, the telescope began its mission of studying deep redshift, light so ancient it has been stretched across billions of years. This light, invisible to human eyes, reveals the distant past, galaxies as they were before Earth had even formed. And then? It saw something we never expected. Entire regions of space where stars, trillions of them, have disappeared. Not dimmed. Not faded. But vanished without a trace. Over 900 trillion stars. Simply gone. No light. No dust. No supernovae. Nothing to mark their death. No evidence of where they went. Just an unsettling absence, like a chapter torn out of the cosmic story. This astonishing finding has left researchers scrambling for answers. Two dominant theories have emerged to explain the disappearance. The first offers a possible, if cautious, explanation. Perhaps the stars are still there, but hidden. They may be cloaked in interstellar dust or collapsed into black holes quietly, skipping the usual violent explosions. Their light could be so faint, so stretched, that even Webb's precision can't detect them. But the second theory is far more disturbing. It suggests that we are witnessing the slow unraveling of the universe itself. A process of disappearance. Not just in appearance, but in existence. To understand this possibility, we must go back to a familiar idea, the expanding universe. For nearly a century, we've known that space is growing, pushing galaxies apart. They're not moving through space, but carried away as space itself stretches. And in the early 2000s, we learned something even more dramatic. That this expansion isn't slowing down, it's speeding up. The force behind it. An invisible pressure we call dark energy. It pushes the fabric of space apart, faster and faster. So fast that distant galaxies are vanishing beyond a cosmic boundary, a limit beyond which nothing can ever reach us. A photon, a single particle of light, leaving one of these galaxies today will never arrive here. Not in 10 billion years. Not ever. The space between us and them is expanding faster than the light can cross it. And so, those galaxies become unreachable. They are still out there. But lost, to us forever. Even though their ancient light still trickles in, the light they emit today will never reach Earth. Our observable universe stretches 46 billion light-years in every direction. Within that realm, we estimate there are nearly 2 trillion galaxies. But most of them are already gone. Vanished behind the accelerating curtain of dark energy. In fact, only our science, our longing. They are receding, slipping away across a threshold no ship can follow. A boundary not made of walls, but of time? Of space itself stretching like a living fabric. Thinning, widening, tearing us apart. With every heartbeat, every breath that fills our lungs, some 20,000 to 60,000 stars are vanishing from our observable universe. Not in theory. Not in metaphor. But in a cosmic, irreversible truth. Their current light, what they radiate now, at this very instant, will never reach us. Not in 10,000 years. Not in the lifetime of the universe. Not ever. They are being pulled beyond the cosmic event horizon, that mysterious limit beyond which nothing can ever return. A boundary where space expands faster than light can travel. And so, we are not just watching stars grow faint. We are watching them disappear. We are not just seeing distance. We are witnessing the dying of connection itself. A final curtain, drawn not by nature's cruelty, but by its laws. The grand stage of the cosmos is dimming. The performers bow in silence. And yet, the curtain never falls. Instead, the audience, us, sits in growing quiet. Not because the play is over, but because the sound can no longer reach us. This is not science fiction. This is the present. We are witnessing the cosmos fall silent. A cosmic hush that grows louder with every passing eon. Beautiful. Terrible. Sacred. Apocalyptic. Time is no longer our ally. It is the gatekeeper now. The silent sentinel that seals doors we didn't even know existed, until they closed behind us. And in this great cosmic race, every moment matters. Every delay. Every missed discovery. Every mission unfunded. Every telescope unbuilt. Every spark of curiosity left unanswered, is another star lost. Another galaxy faded. Another world we'll never know. They are not slipping away because we are weak. They are slipping away because the universe is changing beneath our feet. Because the very fabric of existence is stretching at its seams, and we are standing still. We exist in a window. A breath of time. A fleeting, shimmering sliver between the darkness before and the darkness to come. A golden moment in the life of the cosmos, where the stars still speak. And we still have ears to hear them. But this moment is closing. If we do not act, if we do not dream larger, build faster, think deeper, then this golden age will harden into a cage. And we will be trapped. Not on Earth. Not even in our solar system. But in our local island of galaxies, a tiny archipelago in an ocean we can no longer cross. The Milky Way. Andromeda. A few silent companions on the edge of forever. That is all we will ever know. The luminous spirals. The radiant nebulae. The ancient, elliptical behemoths. Will all fade into silence. Forever beyond our reach. No starships will sail to them. No messages will bridge the gap. The universe will grow quiet. And we will be alone. But there is beauty in knowing this. A fierce, haunting beauty that pierces deeper than fear. Because it means that now matters. This moment. This generation. This brief flame of curiosity and courage that burns within us, it matters more than any before or after. We are here now. When the cosmos still whispers to us. When the stars still shine their ancient stories into our skies. When the darkness has not yet won. We are the first to hear them. And perhaps the last. We are not just explorers. We are not just scientists. We are witnesses to a universe alive and speaking, telling